In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove any extension from Google Chrome. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So what you have to do is you have to go to your Google Chrome, and let me show you the steps again to how to reach to this screen. So you have to click on these three dots, and you have to see this extension, and you will then see manage extension. Okay, once you click on manage extension, you will be seeing this screen which I show you earlier, and now you can see the remove button in front of all the extension, and you can select the extension you want to remove. For example, I want to remove web scraper, free web scraping from my Google Chrome. So I will be clicking on this one, and you can see this dialog box, and just click on remove again, and you can see thank you for using web scraper. That means I have successfully uninstalled web scraper. So that's how you have to do it. It is a very easy method. So if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you.